Did you ever think about why people pay you to do what you do? I mean, do you give it any thought at all? Hi, it's Bill. This is Creative License. Thanks again for being a part of my little show. If you would, please be kind to the sponsors that make this possible. Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, Promo Only, DJ NTV, and the Entertainment Experience. You want to know more about those things, all the links are below, or just reach out to me. I'd love to tell you all about why I think these companies are great. But most of us think we know why people pay for what we do. Most people think that they know what it is that our customers rave about. And honestly, I don't think that most people really give a thought to what really is the thing that people like about what you do and the reason why they pay you to do what you do. We get kind of caught up in all of the stuff that we bring, right? We have our speakers and our lighting and our special toys and props and the music we play and the way that we mix and all those things. But in every evaluation form I've ever sent out to any of my clients, none of them have ever mentioned any of those things. And if you really want to market yourself out to the people who are looking for what you do and want to pay you for the things that people rave about, then maybe you should be listening to the people that have paid you and the things that they're raving about. If you don't do an evaluation form after your events, that would be probably the first place to start. Because as they begin to write those things down in the evaluation forms, you begin to see that they don't talk about your equipment or the suit that you wore or the music that you played. They're talking mostly about the kind of person you were and the kind of service you provided. They're talking about how amazing you were, how honest you were, how talented you were, the feeling that you brought to the event. If they're not talking about those things, also, you might be asking the wrong questions. Maybe you're leading them into, what did you think of my speakers? Or what did you think of the music we played? And did you like the fact that we were on time? Why not ask them more probing questions? Why not give them a chance to tell you why they would tell anyone about you? Because when you start to find that out, then you begin to understand the things you really ought to be marketing, the things you really ought to be advertising. Because honestly, I've never met a bridal client that's ever called me and asked me if I had speakers, lights, and music. They want to know something else, and most of that is intangible, and most of that has to be tangible for them to really get excited about you. What do you think about this? I'd love to know. Write some context below, write some comments below, reach out to me personally, and tell me I'm full of it. I'm okay. I've got a wife and 2 daughters. I'm full of it on a regular basis. I'll see you next week on Creative License. Bye.